Hi guys, my name is Nonema Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Judge Ratha and the things that happened inside that courtroom, the office. Oh my goodness, we will forever be shocked by that man. Ne? Let me put the lip don on my mouth. Sorry about that because I hear my lips are dry. They are very dry. I'm sorry about that. Mm. Um, Judge will never stop to shock us, Kesan. One thing about him. So there was a discussion in this past week was just something else, okay, guys? It was just something else. So there was a discussion, and then in that discussion, it came out. In that discussion was a result of a conversation between Ukwabini, a cross-examination Kwabini between him and Baloyi. So Ukwabini stated that Ugininda did not speak proper Zulu. Hey, Ubaloyi did not understand. Ubaloyi did not understand, but what does it mean? Ndoba he did not speak proper Zulu. And Ukwabini was like, no. For me, he was not speaking. Bengakhuluma isiZulu esiqondile. Mina ngikhuluma isiZulu esiqondile. Yena akakhuluma isona. Hayi ke kwangu up and down sani yabangu up in arms because kanjani uthi ukwabini. Ubaloyi wa insist aba uGininda umZulu. Wa insist aba uGininda ngumZulu. But uGininda, when he was here, he said, umamakhe umZulu. Ayeka. I don't know umamakhe ngumZulu wakuphi. Ngoba naba bangathethi into ba no ngumalume, no ngumzala. Mabathethe abantu abamaziyo lo mZulu kaGininda umamakhe. Ubani lo yephi lo femi ngumZulu waphi? NgumZulu waphi umamakhe? Waphi? Hayi ndiyafuna uyazi ngumZulu waphi. Okay, akhona amaZulu eZimbabwe, akhona amaZulu eMalawi, akhona amaZulu kuphi. There are so many places apho ungafumana khona amaZulu nalapha eSouth Africa. So okaGininda umama ngowakweyiphi wase-KZN, if KZN, where in KZN? Ndiyarhalela uyazi but ke sizayiva ngabani in any case. But ke ngoku yaba yi-debate because uJudge Ratha jumped into that situation, shocking all of us, trying to save to defend uGininda. You remember that I always say the reverence that Judge Ratha has for uGininda. He will jump up and down, hoops and whatnot for uGininda to defend him. He jumped in trying to defend honor Gininda because what do you mean? Ukuthi uGininda akangumZulu. He even mentioned Doba no wayefunde Soweto eMufolo okanye eMfuleni, I don't know, eMfuleni high okanye eMufolo, I don't know, something along those lines. So uGininda what he even asked which year was Gininda born? Ngo-1972 say inanto yokwenza nantoni kodwa nalento sithethayo ingenaphi, like ingenaphi into yoba uzelwe nini. Ndaxakeka ndaqonda uba hayibo, and then wathi esalonini tonto wane meltdown sana because I think he felt like ku-attackwa uGininda. Hayi ke sana, tensions exploded ke sana in that moment in the Senzo Meyiwa trial when uJudge Ratha unexpectedly stepped in. He stepped in into that situation and Umshololo was like, let me handle this because I know what is this work. Umshololo stepped in and was like, no. Ukuthi uyasikhuluma ukathini intondoni, it does not mean ungumZulu. Hayi kwayiwa lena le. You know what? Umshololo was like, that's it. By the way, we do not have a Gininda in isiZulu. We do know of Gininda, uMaswati, Mara Zulus. We do not have a Gininda us. There in KZN, asinayo Gininda. Oh, Shololo, my girl. I was like, bravo to you, Sanalam. Kabalanto ke iye yamhlala. Ayimhlela kahle ke sana uJudge Ratha because tell me why when we came back after lunchtime, he's coming back to that. Estatisela about the white family, the 1800s, that came to South Africa and was doing rituals Zamazulu, cultural practices Zamazulu. Umhlolo was like, the bottom line, those people were helping, but they were not Zulu people. Even if they do the culture, they are not Zulu people. Like Umhlolo wanted to frustrate Judge Ratha. He wanted to frustrate Judge Ratha to the core. The bottom line is that Brigadier Gininda is not a Zulu surname, and Umshololo told the court that there is no Zulu surname called Gininda anywhere in the Zulu kingdom. You can't find. That one was raising serious questions about the identity, credibility, and the judge's sudden intervention. Why was he in there? Why didn't he let them deal with it? I don't think he realizes uyathanda ukuthi jump into situations azenze worse, mess them up azenze worse ke sana. Because what was this? Was that judiciary neutrality or courtroom interference? Because ebengenaphi to begin with. Why was he in that? Why was Judge Ratha in that? Because he shocked us. Oh, he shocked us. Now he was left with an egg in his face because the bottom line is that there is no Kininda in the Zulu kingdom. Uzotin. Now he was left. Because Judge Ratha should have allowed cross-examination to continue, but Judge Ratha does what he does best. He jumped into the arena, and he had no business in being in that. He was not clarifying evidence, but to defend the identity kaKininda. Leyo into it's clear. And it was not about culture or language. Umshololo told him. In fact, if Lanto ibiyekiwe kula part yomshololo esithi akuna evidence ethetha why is Baloyi going into the territory of uKininda watsho apha wathi kwathi umZulu wathi umshololo stood up to object because there was no evidence ethetha nge-identity kaKininda like that. So ingenaphi yonke lento. Then uJudge Ratha jumps in and Nkosi yami wahlafunwa ke ngumshololo politely. I loved it. Umhlafune polite wathi umshololo in Zulu custom umZulu ngumZulu by birth. You cannot become Zulu by practice or accent or association. You will never be Zulu even if you practice their culture or customs. You won't. And identity goes to credibility, Gesana. Credibility goes to motive. And when judge shields a witness from credibility testing, neutrality collapses. And in that moment, it wasn't a harmless moment. It was a warning sign. And Judge Ratha fell into that trap. What was his business in that situation? Now, look at what happened. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it came to that? What were your thoughts when Judge Ratha was jumping into that situation? I was shocked when it was happening. Let's talk in the comment section. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.